In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover in Capcut. So as an example, we just go here and create a project. So you have two ways of adding a voiceover. You can either record it right now and right away. If you go and click on record at the top left, you'll be able to record something, as an example, whether it's your whole screen, as you can see, or if you don't want to record your whole screen, you'll be able to record just the audio. Of course, recording whole screen, you'll be able to record the screen and audio. But if you want to record only audio, you can go here and click on this icon, voiceover. So just go and click on it. And as you can see, for me, I talking right now, so I can just go and click on that. And I'll be able to start recording my voice. And as you can see, it's recording at the moment. And you can just go and have your timeline with your video, and you can start adding the voiceover right now. Whatever it is, if it's just like trying to do voiceover for some character, just for a simple tutorial video like this one, it is totally up to you. Once you finish, just go and click on this button and you should find your voiceover right here. Of course, you'll be able to increase the volume, add some echo reduction, mute the project, enhance the audio, but this will require, for example, a premium plan, but it's fine. So once you're done, you'll be able to go and let me just go and make this lower. Go to the start and start listening, example, to your voiceover. So if you like it, an example, you'll be able to go and start using it, lower the volume, increase the volume, add some echo as an example, so enhance voice, reduce noise, and you can also cut as an example and stuff like that. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.